Hello friends, in this video let us see the unboxing of Hikvision Turbo HD DVR, and it is a 7B00 series. It is an 8-channel DVR, and let us see the features over here. So it can give HDMI output up to 4K resolution, and live view for smart device, two-way audio, multi-channel, synchronous playback, high definition real-time recording, support HD video input, and it is a H.265 compression compliant device, which means it takes very less space for storing the data. And motion detection is also there. Okay, now let us see the model number. So the model number we have here is DS-7B08HGHI-F1. So it's a DVR. The MRP quoted here is 7,200 rupees, but again it is available in market for some 5,500 or 6,000 rupees, somewhere around. So it is a made in India product, and you can see the logo here. Okay, so let us see the so it comes with this nice carry here. Okay, now let us unbox it and let us see what is there inside. Okay, so it's a brand new product. I'm opening the seal. Okay, here we go. All right, so let us see what we have got here. Okay, so first we have a SATA power cable, a SATA power connector. Okay, that's it. And power adapter. So this is slightly bigger than the 4-channel adapter. Okay, here the product output is 12 volt 1.5 amperes, and it is made in China, though it says that it is www.biz.government.in, but again the product is still made in China. Okay, the connector is a regular DC connector. So in case if you lose it, or if it has gone out, still you can find a replacement in the market easily. Okay, next what do we have? We have a SATA cable. Okay, next a mouse, as usual, the same cheap quality mouse, the one you can find it for some 50 rupees in the market, the same mouse. Okay, it's a very cheap mouse, USB mouse, but again it comes at less cost. Okay, next we have the screws. Okay, let us keep it inside. Now we will take the DVR out. Okay, we have a pamphlet here. What is it? How to manage your DVR easier. So here they have these kind of app, so you can scan this QR code and you can download the app. With that you will be able to manage the device. Okay, next let us take the, okay, nothing else is in the box. I'm keeping it aside, and we have the DVR here. Okay, now let us take it out. We have foam on both the sides taken. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so it is made of metal, so it's a metal series. Okay. And if you look at here, there is a Hikvision logo over here, and power indicator, hard disk indicator, and network activity. Those indicators are here. And looking at the back, it's an 8-channel DVR, so 8 analog inputs, and one HDMI, one VGA output, one audio in and one audio out, one LAN and 2 USB ports, and one power connector port, and this one will act like a earth. Okay, so here this particular DVR has got a cooling fan. See here, there is a fan over here that should be enough to supply the required amount of cooling, and that's it, nothing else over here. So it is just empty holes for air circulation. So it comes with the built-in cooling fan, so you need not worry about cooling. And so it's a metal series. And so that's a quick unboxing of Hikvision 8-channel DVR. So this is not an economical series, this is a regular one. And the model number, you would have seen the model number. So that's it. So if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.